Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog is I will make an unboxing of this one. So I already have a multi-tool plier, so 13 in 1 stainless steel multi-function pliers, so great for explorer, travel and camping, fishing, gardener, picnicking, car, bicycle, and also a gift. So the brand is a best card, so I'm gonna try to find some link of this one so that you will know. Okay, and so let's gonna open this up. So okay, before, as you can see, 4.5 inch. It has a long nose plier, regular pliers, hardware cutter. It also has a nail cleaner, nail file, large screwdriver, small screwdriver, which is also has a can opener, so a knife, tooth knife, Phillips screwdriver, and also bottle opener. So it has also a pocket right there, this one. So let's gonna open it up. Okay, so finally I have it already. So this is not a branded one that I see in most EDC YouTuber out there. So this is not a branded one. So this is just a local. This is just a local multi-tool plier here in Philippines, Cebu, Philippines. So there it goes. Okay, and this is the okay. This is the nail file, and also this is a right here is the can opener. Okay, this one. Okay, can opener. Oh, I think this one right. Okay, this one is the large screwdriver, large, and the other one. Okay, the other one is this, the can opener. So this is the can opener over here, and then this one right here is the knife, and also the next one is the Phillips screwdriver. So, and over here is a bottle opener. So here's a bottle opener, and the last one is the tooth knife. So tooth knife. So which you can use it just like this one. Okay, this one. So I'm gonna try to take it out. So okay, and this is also the yes, the what this one. So this is gonna try to use this. Yeah, this one, very good. So it is so though also the knife. Let's gonna go and use the knife. So oh, okay, it is so sharp. So in order for you to, this one is just like this one, just like what I saw from Gerber. This one is gonna use it like that, and then boom, here you go. There's also a pouch. There's also a pouch in here, so that you can also put this in your belt. So you can put this in your belt. So, and then if you want to use it like that, you can open it up, and then there you have it. So yes, finally I have it. So this is just only a couple of bucks, so 275 pesos. So I'm gonna put this in the video, and I'm gonna convert it to a dollar. So I think Philippine peso is much cheaper than is much cheaper than a dollar. Okay, so this one, okay, this is good this is a good tool for me for my work. So yes, this is a good tool for my work also, and I really love it. So, and here you go, I have it already. So nice. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I hope you like it. So this is the unboxing. So I'm gonna make a follow-up vlog of this. So I'm gonna make a review of the product. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, peace.